Hi, my dear job seekers. Welcome to LikeWays. Cotiviti is conducting walk-ins for the medical coder and senior medical coder from 25th to 29th September. The required qualification is MSc, MPharm, BPharm, BSc, or any life science graduates. The roles of the positions are 1+ years of experience in HCC coding. Active coding credentials through AAPC, AHIMA are mandatory. Strong knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy, and physiology. Demonstrate a high level of quality in a clinical coding work, identifying and validating HCC mapped diagnoses that are revenue generating. Venue for the position is India Land Tech Park, 7th floor, Kiranatham, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. You can contact through given mail IDs or mobile numbers. If you want more information about the job openings, visit our website, and if you want a proper email content, visit our email content page. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.